Headway review, demo, and $2,225 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Headway review, a brand new product released by Jonas Lindgren and Trevor Carr. I know both of these guys personally, they're amazing marketers, and in this new product they will show you exactly how to start making money online and as an affiliate marketer, even if you never made a dime online. Okay, so it's very hard to get into making money online as an affiliate marketer because it's hard to get approved as an affiliate for offers if the vendor doesn't know you. Okay, so they show you exactly how to get started, how to get your affiliate score up to a point where you gonna start getting approved for all the affiliate offers that you want to promote, and then they will show you how to make money. Okay, so let me share my screen with you and let's jump into this Headway review. And first of all, I just wanted to show you this picture. I actually know Jonas in person. I know Trevor in person as well, but I couldn't find a photo of us. So just to show you that, I know these guys and I absolutely trust them. I know their products are absolutely amazing. And this is one of these products. So as you can see, it says Headway by Trevor Carr and Jonas Lindgren. Enough is enough. We are here for you. We have the solution. We are going to force you to make money even if you never made a cent before. We've made over $436,000 in affiliate commissions, and this is Trevor here, right here. And now we want to help you to make real headway too. So obviously you can go through all of it in your own time. So they're giving you done for you tools, they're giving you training. I'm going to show you all of this in a second. As you can see, tons of proof behind what they are teaching. And again, Headway, this is the name of this product. And this is my Headway review. Again, Trevor Carr and Jonas Lindgren, these are the two guys. Scrolling down here, these guys are known for short sales pages, so this is essentially it. Obviously you're gonna get a 30 days money back guarantee as always, and that's essentially it. And let me show you the inside of the members area right now. So this is what you'll see inside. As you can see, we have an introduction again from Trevor and Jonas, and the cool thing is that you're getting both video training and documents. Okay, so documents are included, so you have the introduction videos both from Trevor and from Jonas, and then we have modules. We got 3 modules. Okay, so in the first module they're gonna be starting with the introduction to the business, and as you can see, for each video you have a document right here. So these documents look like this, and the cool thing is that they actually include additional tools and additional stuff inside these documents. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna get all the links, you're gonna get like screenshots showing everything you need to know, and I wanted to show you right here. So the big thing is they talk about in the first module is getting approved and getting your affiliate score up to a point where you're gonna just get approved automatically. Okay, so they will actually help you with that. And just to show you that I'm actually not approving affiliates with 0 score. I'm logged into my other Warrior Plus account. As you can see, I have 103 affiliates pending. Okay, so I'm not going to approve them. I launched my own product video magic formula a couple of days ago, and I'm only approving affiliates that I know or affiliates with good score. As you can see, we have over 100 affiliates that want to promote this product, but we are not approving them yet because I just have no idea who they are. I have no idea what kind of traffic they are going to send, so I'm only going to approve them after the launch is over. Okay, so which means that the price of the product will be higher and the conversions will go lower. Okay, so that's the downside when you're an affiliate marketer with no score. And the other thing is that I'm approving affiliates with no score after the launch. There are many vendors that won't approve these kind of affiliates at all. Okay, so this is exactly the problem, and this is what Trevor and Jonas are fixing. Okay, so how they're gonna do it is they will actually give you 2 offers. You can start promoting and get your affiliate score up. The first offer is a free offer. Okay, so this will actually count towards your affiliate score, so you just have to give it away for free. There are some upsells that are paid, so you can actually make some money with it, and you're gonna get your affiliate score up to the right level. And then the second offer is a $1 offer. Okay, so again, you're getting 2 offers that you're gonna get approved for, and these are the offers from Trevor. And again, all you have to do is just give something away, and the other is just sell it for $1, and your affiliate score will automatically go up. Okay, and this is just the first video, so as you can see, I just wanted to show you these documents. Documents are included with every single video. Okay, so we have the introduction right here, then we have building your affiliate score. This is exactly what I just talked about. Then we have applying for and using your vicious cycle busters. Now, I'm not going to go deep into how this actually works. Obviously, you're gonna have to buy the product and go through all the videos if you want to see how this formula works. I just wanted to show you what you can expect. Okay, then we have your Headway conversion boosters, and that's it for module 1. Module 2, again, we have the introduction, we have taking your next steps as an affiliate, then we have Jonas's intro, then we have approval and review access, then we have dead list case study. Okay, so Jonas actually had a list that he built like a year ago or 2 years ago, and he didn't use it. So normally these kind of lists are dead. You're gonna email them with some kind of a promotion. These people will not open, they will not buy, but he actually made some money with his dead list, and he is demonstrating it in this case study. So maybe you have some email marketing list like from a year ago or 2 years ago, or maybe you have like 1,000 people that you don't really know what to do with. This is exactly what Jonas will tell you, and he will show you how to squeeze out the money from this list. Okay, so we have the case study, the case study results, we have the bot list case study, so a separate case study, and also the bot list update, and then the final case study, and then we have GADs, another module right here, Gorilla GADs and Gorilla Pages. So this is the second module from Jonas, and we have module number 3, finally making headway. And as you can see, we got more docs right here, more Google Docs. So we got video 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the actual headway method. Okay, so everything you need to know about traffic, making the sales, getting the commissions, etc. Okay, so as you can see, they have a Facebook group that you can join if you want to ask questions, and you have all of the tools as well included. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. This is perfect for any newcomers, so anyone that wants to start making it as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so if you are an already successful marketer, if your score is already high, if you know how to generate traffic, if you know how to make money as an affiliate, this is probably not for you. But if you are struggling, if you're still to make your first sale online, or maybe you made a few sales but you're not really know how to start making sales consistently, then this is the way to do it. And again, both Trevor and Jonas are amazing marketers. They have tons of proof on their accounts, and it's just plain works. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. Let's go through the pricing and all of the upsells. So first of all, I'm just going to tell you the prices, and then we're going to go deep into what each OTO is. Okay, so first of all, we have the main product, that is everything that I just showed you. It will be $12.95. OTO number 1, we have Headway Done For You Solution, $37. OTO number 2, we have Headway Advanced, $67. OTO number 3, we have Headway Endless Traffic, $97. And OTO number 4, Headway License Rights, $97. Excuse me. Now, on my blog, as always, I have a full written review, including the funnel. So let's go through all of this right now. So, Headway Done For You Solution, in this upgrade, you're gonna get a boost to the original method, and you're gonna get done for you funnels, done for you pages, done for you offers. This will instantly create your money making path, and obviously this will just allow you to make money much faster comparing to doing all of this yourself. So that's OTO number 1, $37 again. OTO number 2, we get Headway Advanced, $67, and in this upgrade you get access to the exact same funnels created under the guidelines of Headway, and again, this is proven to convert, so you're getting these funnels, and you're going to be getting advanced training as well. Okay, so that's OTO number 2. OTO number 3, we got Headway Traffic, $97, and in this upgrade they will essentially teach you how to get even more traffic. So some traffic training is included in the main product, but obviously if you want to generate more traffic and make more money, that's Headway OTO number 3, $97. And license rights, that's OTO number 4 for $97. And you know how this works. You're gonna get 100% commissions on the whole funnel, so you can essentially sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. They take care of the sales page, the support, hosting, and everything else. You just need to send the traffic and make money, 100% commissions. Okay, guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog. So right now, let me show you all of the bonuses that I listed here as well. And let me just mention that Headway will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on December 2nd. And these are all of the bonuses that you're gonna get from me if you'll decide to pick it up through my link. Now, I have 3 custom-made bonuses, and these are custom-made especially for this promotion, and all 3 are about making money as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so you're gonna get 3 of these, and you're gonna get these nowhere else but as a part of this bonus package. So you cannot buy it, you cannot get it for free. You can only get these 3 custom-made bonuses, which will essentially allow you to make even more money as an affiliate marketer with the Headway method, and you can only get it here again. Then you're gonna get a reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling product. Okay, so you're gonna get 2 in the original Headway product, and you're gonna get 3 more from myself, and you're gonna actually get 100% commissions on all of it. Okay, so reseller's license to 3 of my top-selling product: Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So you're gonna get instant approval and 100% commissions, and this alone is worth $500. So a pretty great thing, especially if you're starting out as an affiliate marketer. Okay, and then you're gonna get Blaze, my course on how to make money with free Facebook traffic. You're gonna get rapid niche profits, everything you need to know about making money and outside of the make money online niche, and this is in passive income, targeted traffic, cache search, everything you need to know about Bing ads, newbie traffic formula, a great traffic course for newbies, and this is a W's of the Day course as well. You're also gonna get my top selling course, Flip Me, with the income booster, which is OTO number 1, and a reseller's license to it, which is OTO number 3. So that alone is worth $100. You're also gonna get urgent arbitrage cash and easy arbitrage profits, and then Tube Traffic Avalanche, everything you need to know about making money and generating traffic from YouTube, my case study on free traffic, and 9 additional pieces of software and plugins. So you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, I Ask, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Call to Action. So that's a total of 26 bonuses. But on top of all that, you're gonna get my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $2,225. Now, keep in mind, you're gonna get all of these bonuses from me for free, just as a thank you for picking up Headway through my link. And again, Headway will be going live on December the 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you're watching on YouTube, after it goes live, you can click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. The second link in the description will take you to my blog, and I'm also going to have a full demo. Okay, so I showed you a little bit right here in this review video, but I'm gonna have a full demo made by Trevor, so he dives deep into each module and each video, and he shows you exactly what's inside. Okay, so I'm going to have this as well, and I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel right after this review video, and I'm going to have it right here on my blog as well, obviously. Now let me just show you again how to claim your bonus if you'll decide to pick up Headway through my link. Okay, so after you pick it up from my link, and all you have to do is again use the first link in the description on YouTube, or just click on one of these blue links from my blog. Then you're gonna have to go to your purchase history, and all you have to do so is just click on your icon right here, go to purchase history, then click on Headway or any other product that you got from my link for that matter. Open the product right here, and right below this access your purchase button, you should see another button saying access your bonus from art. Okay, so this is how to access your bonus. Now keep in mind, my bonuses are delivered automatically. Okay, so you don't have to send me any emails, any receipts, none of it. If you got it through my link, you should be able to see it in this area right here. So that's how to claim your bonus. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. I'm always here to help. I try to answer as many of your questions in the comments on the YouTube video as I can. Please give it a like on YouTube. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more reviews just like this one. And again, Headway will be going live at 11 AM Eastern on December the 2nd. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of the bonuses. I definitely have one of the biggest bonuses out there for it. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!